Hey everyone, in the last couple of videos we have trained our AI model and created inference flow. Now it's time to deploy it. I have my inference pipeline open right here. I'll head over to the deployment section, which is this one. Click on it, click on the create deployment right here and click on create deployment. You can see the API key right here. It's very important that you copy it and treat it as your password and do not share it with anyone. So click on copy and paste it somewhere and click on I have saved the key. And if you click on this right here, you can see the code. You can use this code to integrate the Flow API into your own application or services. But before integrating into your application, it's recommended that you test this API using Postman and check if your deployment is actually working. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to check out the documentation or comment down below. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Thanks for watching.